was referred to Dr. Ashutosh and his team by my doctor friends and his cousin himself. I've been looking for some solution of my receding hairline for some time, and I came across Dr. Ashutosh last year. I had met once to the team and got to know about the procedures, how the procedures work, how the results are, and I was explained all much in detail. This year around with my cousin, I decided to go through the procedure. I made the call and I'm very glad that I did. It was a very pain-free process. It was very fun environment, and I was done in no time. And I'm really looking forward to getting my hairline back in 3-4 months when my hair grow back again. And I would definitely recommend this clinic for any other cosmetic work if someone wants to get done. And my referrals are high. Thank you.